Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing my favourite World Grand Prix racer, Clutchgoneski, my precious. The former European colony, a newly independent Republic of Rearendia is desperate to put a name on the map. And number 10 open-wheeled racer, Clutchgoneski, is their best bet. After putting together a remarkable string of qualifying races, Rip's entry into the World Grand Prix is clearly the Cinderella story of the competition. Though Rip credits luck with his chance on the international stage, it's really skill and exuberance that brought the proud new Rearendian racer to the starting line. Rip participated in all three World Grand Prix races, as well as in the Radiator Springs Grand Prix. Because of his modest origin from an unknown country and his lack of titles, Rip can be considered the rookie of the competition. The first race was Rip's best performance. He started from, I believe, the 6th position. The best race started at the back of the line for this race. Although in the first part of the race he was seen near the back, he gained places after the dirt section. He finally got up to 3rd position, but then his motor was blown out by the lemons and was forced to quit the race. In the following race he stayed near the last position. At Porta Corsa he was one of the last races to crash in a huge pile-up at the same time as Raul Sarul. He was then in 9th position. In the London race, Rip Clutchgoneski was seen in the last position. At Radiator Springs, he was seen on the 4th or 7th positions. Now his specs, he has a 3.5 litre dual overhead cam V8 with 650 horsepower, a 0 to 60 of 3.1 seconds, and top speed of 199 miles an hour. His hometown's Wheelie, New Rearendia, and the vehicle type's a Formula 6000 racer from 2005. Now let's have a look at him, boys. Woo! And as you can tell, he's open-wheeled. He's very light, quite light actually. And he looks like he's based on a Caparo T1. I wish I can review one of those things. Please let me know if you have one in the comments. So you see red, orange yellow colour, and green, like a traffic light, like the colours of a traffic light. Now I think these go quite nicely together. You can see number 10. And a new Rearendian flag. World Grand Prix, powered by Oral. Then, oh wow, look at all those little lines. I mean, they go so well together, the 3 colours. I love them. That's why I love him. His design, and the fact that he's from a fictional country as well. And you can see he's got a little wing, or spoiler, whatever you want to call it, right here. He's got a little rear diffuser. There's probably an exhaust. Is it? Mr. Docket, help me now. What about the Piston Cup sector? Piston Cup Productions? Yeah, those people. Let's see. See, he's got silver rims. Right here, you know. You look at me, a big fat slope. I got more sense than a Chinese phone book. Yeah, fat bastard from what's it called? Austin Piers, you know. I think that's pretty much all there is to say. So, goodbye.